yoga, pranayam, and the Sudarshan Kriya, which is a beautiful gift by Sri Ravi Shankar ji, is utmost importance in today's cold life, I would say. How it is affecting the pranayam and the meditation in today's life? Because nowadays, in this period of uncertainty, people are very much stressed out. There's lots of fear and anxiety in them. Now, how to cope up with that? And another thing is that there's a lockdown period also, the mobility, meeting their friends and relatives, going out. I mean, there are various means of de-stressing yourself, like if you mix with your friends and relatives, you go for the outings, then also the stress is reduced. But nowadays, because of the lockdown, this mobility is restricted. And also the overall economy has gone down very much. So their people's jobs are affected, their business is affected. So they are anxious from various angles. Whatever age group you say, it might be even the school going children because they are not going to the school. So if you ask the young children, 8, 9, 10, 12 years, and they have to stay in the home throughout the day, how they are going to spend their day, it is very difficult for them. So right from the young age, with old people, those who are 70, 80 plus, everybody is facing the different sets of problems. Nowadays, as WHO has already declared that after this pandemic, mental health is going to be another pandemic. I would say that in today's scenario, if you include little bit of yoga and pranayama and Sudarshan Kriya in your daily routine, which will take hardly 30 minutes in your daily routine. And there are other sets of meditation also, that is Sahaj meditation. If you include these meditation in your daily routine, I can assure you that you will be far, far away from many problems of today's life. Your anxiety will be reduced. Insomnia, which is very, very common, lack of sleep, lack of proper sleep. This is very common nowadays. And many researchers have shown that insomnia is improved a lot. People are having very deep sleep and very good sleep when they practice this pranayama and meditation. Anxiety level goes down to a great extent. Depression, various researchers have shown that 67% effect of Sudarshan Kriya, people are improved. There's improvement in the depression by 67%. Those who are practicing Sudarshan Kriya regularly. And this Sudarshan Kriya doesn't have any side effect. When we are giving medicines to combat depression, there are side effects also. But when we are practicing Sudarshan Kriya, there is a particular hormone, the chemical, that is BDNF. And this brain deprived neurotrophic hormone, this is actually increased, the level in BDNF is also there, which is combating the effect of depression in the patient. And also the cortisol levels reduced effectively. So this stress-related hormones are reduced to a great extent, thus depression is improved. And also the hormone prolactin, which is hormone of well-being, that is also improved. Increased level have been found of this prolactin hormone. And there is another thing which is known as the effect of cholesterol level. If you see, in every system Sudarshan Kriya is affecting. There is a decrease in the cholesterol level. There are two types of cholesterol. One is high density, another is low density. The LDL, which is lethal to our heart, that is decreased if you are practicing Sudarshan Kriya. But the HDL, which is friendly to the heart, that is found to be a little bit increased. So this cholesterol level is also beneficial. It is improving in a good way when you are practicing Sudarshan Kriya. And also there is antioxidant levels also found to be increased. Now let us understand what does the antioxidant role play. There is an oxidative stress in our life. What happens with the aging process? There's a wear and tear. So there's the internal damage happening continuously as the aging process happens. This is because of release of free radical oxygen radicals. So when these antioxidant levels, which are found naturally in our body, if you are practicing Sudarshan Kriya, the level of antioxidant increases, and which is helping in combating this wear and tear of our body. So many systems, even our immunity is also increasing in the same way. Like there's increase in the lymphocyte level, increase in the natural killer cells, And in today's COVID life, as a doctor, I know, and you also know, that there is no proper treatment for this COVID-19. Unless and until we have a vaccine, there is no cure. How can we improve our immunity? That is the only thing which is going to work today. With Sudashan Kriya, researchers have shown there is increase in the immunity level 5 times immunity is increased. At every level, Sudashan Kriya is effective, especially in the student, the people who are focusing in their studies, their mental focus, their concentration is improving a lot. This all have been proven by various researchers because Sudashan Kriya has been practiced for last 40 years and millions of people have experienced this benefit across the globe. So these are the multiple benefits of Sudashan Kriya.